If you're looking to level up your cooking game, this is the secret weapon you need in your arsenal. Stick around to the end for SpitJack's advice on how to marinate a turkey. The Pulse Meat Injector system by SpitJack is meticulously designed to optimize your meat game. Look at this baby. It's the Rolls Royce of meat injectors. Its needles are long and twice as thick as the competition. They come in various sizes, open-ended and perforated. The connector ports are extra secure and tight. Handle sleeves make it comfortable to use. Plus, I love the color. The barrel is made from unbreakable BPA-free Titan plastic. And this rear lock nut allows you to keep the handle tight over time. This thing is built to last. SpitJack makes injecting meat effortless. When you're done, these custom-sized brushes make cleaning nice and simple. Plus, everything fits into this thin, high-quality hard case. When you have great food, life is so much better, don't you think? Okay, like I promised, here's SpitJack's marination tutorial. You're gonna wanna make a saline solution with 38 grams of salt to 4 cups of water. This is the perfect ratio that brings out natural flavor of the meat without being too salty. Once the salt is dissolved, use the meat injector and go with the grain to saturate the meat. Try to only make one hole in the skin and move the injector around once you're inside to saturate everywhere. Repeat for both legs and breasts, and that's it. You don't need to salt the outside, but you can add seasoning and stuffing under the skin if you'd like. Put your marinated turkey in the fridge overnight. The next day, take it out of the fridge for a few hours and then cook it slowly at 275 in a non-convection oven or 250 in a convection oven. And cook for around 3 to 4 hours until the breast measures 155 degrees. If you put this baby in at 8 a.m., it'll be ready by lunchtime. There you have it, a perfect turkey with SpitJack's Pulse Meat Injection System, an amazing, high-quality professional tool.